Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're told, in the figure shown above, lines A and B are parallel and lines K and L are parallel. We're asked if the measure of angle X is 75 degrees, what is the measure of angle Y? So what we're going to have to do is use corresponding angles to go around the diagram to find angle Y. So what is a corresponding angle? If you have a line and two parallel lines run through it, then the parallel lines will make the same angle with the original line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of corresponding angles. So X right here corresponds to this angle right here. Right? You have line K, and then A and B make the same angle with that line. Right? Same thing here with line B. Lines K and L make the same angle, and that is equal to X down here. Right? So they are on line B, angles Y and X have to add up to 180 degrees. Why is that? Well, zooming in on this diagram right here, the measure of a line is 180 degrees. In the same way that we could say this is 30 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 135 degrees, right? Here, 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 this is 180 degrees. And if Y and X make up those 180 degrees, Y plus X has to equal 180. If X is 70, we have Y plus 75 is equal to 180. Writing that down here so we don't run out of space. Subtract 75 from both sides. These cancel. Y is equal to 185 minus 75 is 105. C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.